I am a magnet for abundance. Prosperity flows freely to me. I am worthy of receiving financial abundance. There is more than enough wealth for everyone, including me. I am open to receiving unexpected financial blessings. I am grateful for the financial abundance in my life. I deserve financial security. Financial peace is my birthright. Abundance surrounds me in all areas of life. I am a powerful creator of my financial reality. I have a healthy and positive relationship with money. Money is a tool for good that allows me to live a fulfilling life. I am worthy of earning a high income. I am confident in my ability to manage my money wisely. I am a money magnet. I am a master of attracting wealth. I am constantly expanding my knowledge about personal finance. I am open to new opportunities to increase my income. I believe in my ability to achieve financial freedom. I am grateful for the financial resources I already have. I am taking inspired action towards my financial goals. I am creating a budget that works for me. I am diligently paying off my debts. I am investing in my future financial security. I am increasing my value in the workplace. I am always looking for ways to earn extra income. I am confident in my ability to negotiate a raise. I am brave in pursuing new business ventures. I am surrounding myself with financially successful people. I am celebrating my financial successes, big and small, worth and deservingness. I am worthy of financial abundance. I deserve to be financially secure. I am a valuable asset to any employer. I am capable of achieving great financial success. I am a magnet for opportunities that bring me wealth. I am divinely guided towards financial prosperity. The universe supports my financial goals. I am worthy of living a life of abundance. I am grateful for all the financial blessings in my life. I am open to receiving more wealth. I am grateful for the money I already have. I am appreciative of every dollar I earn. I am learning and growing in my financial journey. I am constantly seeking ways to improve my financial literacy. I am open to new ideas and strategies for wealth creation. I am excited about my future financial success. I am releasing limiting beliefs about money. I am replacing negative thoughts about money with positive affirmations. I am confident in my ability to overcome financial challenges. I am worthy of a life filled with joy and abundance. I am a wealthy person, even if it isn't true yet. Act as if. I am attracting wealth into my life. Wealth is flowing to me effortlessly. I am surrounded by abundance. I am a millionaire in the making. I deserve to be wealthy. I am worthy of financial freedom. I am constantly increasing my net worth. Money is a tool that I use to create a positive impact. I am a wise and responsible steward of my wealth.